Hello and welcome to Pinku Reviews. I'm Yink, and I have a Patreon now. I promised myself I wouldn't do this until I hit 100 subscribers, and, well, here we are. So, I just wanted to do a short video talking about my Patreon, and all the money from my Patreon will be going back into the channel, mostly through buying kits to review, but also tools and recording stuff, you know. Now, obviously, as of recording this, we're in, well, you know, but even aside from that, always take care of yourselves first, and I really cannot stress how much I appreciate all of my fans, whether you can give me $1 a month or not. But anyway, that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, as always, happy building.